Hello, this is a recording for how to enable your pop-ups for Cengage Mindtap in Firefox. So in the first video, I actually went over how to do this in Safari. This time I'm going to go over how you would do this in Firefox. Now, there are two different ways to actually get to this setting, and I'm going to show you the way that is almost exactly the same as doing this in Windows, so that you'll see that because most of you probably have Windows. But if you have a Mac, you can go to the Firefox menu at the top and go to Preferences. Okay. If you have a Windows PC, you want to go over here to this little 3-bar menu and open that up, and you want to go down to Preferences. Yours may say Options, and it may be more of a picture, but it's the same thing. So we're going to go to Preferences/Options. From here, we need to find the pop-up blocker in order to turn it off. The easiest way to do that is actually to go up here in the search bar and type in pop. And as soon as you do that, you will see it come up down here where it says, and it's highlighted, it's saying that it's found the block pop-up windows. Okay. Most likely you're having issues, or if you have not turned this off yet, you will find that this is checked. Okay. And all you need to do is uncheck that box. That is your best bet. You could go into exceptions, actually add Cengage manually, but you might find that that doesn't always work. So the best thing to do is just turn it off for now. If you're really concerned about turning it off for everything, what you might want to do is use a browser that you don't typically use, and specifically use that for Cengage Mindtap. And actually, Firefox is the recommended browser for Cengage Mindtap. So most of you are hopefully using Firefox. All right, that's all there is to it. Make sure that you know also that you run the Mindtap system check. So inside of your CIS 110 course, you will find in your Start Here section, you will find Getting Started with Mindtap. Inside of that folder, there are a bunch of things, including these videos. But the one thing you will find is the Mindtap system check. Okay, and that will actually go through and make sure not only are your pop-ups okay, but also your browser, your JavaScript, cookies, and everything is ready to go. If everything is green here, you should have no issues. If there's any red X's, then you need to work on resolving those. For pop-ups, we're showing you those. If it's one of these other issues, you might need to reach out to your instructor or to the Cengage Tech Support. All right, thank you.